draw specialists. We are generous. We are generous. We're just sharing points with everyone. You need 1 point to fight relegation. Come play Kaizer Chiefs. You need 1 point to get into top 8. Come play Kaizer Chiefs. Pirates, you guys need 1 point if you want to push for the league, or Sundowns to win it. Come play Kaizer Chiefs, because we draw specialists. We just draw. That's what we do. How many chances do you guys want? Chance after chance after chance after chance. And I'm not even going to complain and talk about the offside goal. No. How many chances after that? Hi. Let me just watch what I say. Before I get into trouble with Kaizer Chiefs fans, let me just pick my words wisely. You guys can see we are missing quality up front. A lethal striker to finish these chances. Give those chances to even Mahopa. He will out with a hat-trick. Reyners, I don't even want to mention. If we give them those chances, they scored all those chances. They'll 9-1 or 9-0. Sorry, the score finished today. At least the year's ended now. Hey, now we can watch AFCON. Enough of the stressing. We should. These are the games we're supposed to win. These games we're supposed to win this game, because come next season, Nedbank Cup, CAF Confederations Cup, league matches. Wednesday you're playing league. Saturday you're going to Zambia. Next Wednesday you come back, or they push the game to even next week Sunday when you play Nedbank Cup. Straight. It's not looking good. Just draws and all over the show, just throwing. We just draws. That's why Draw FC, not even Lamtutu. Lamtutu, it's done now. We just call us Draw FC.
Yabona Chiefs bizoyiwina le league. Ukuba ama-officials awekho against Kaizer Chiefs. Because le goal Chiefs eliphikiwe eCoro Silva bengekho offside, clean goal. Elingabe linike Kaizer Chiefs 3 points. But ama-officials decide ukuthi no man, angeke kwazi ukuthi evumele Chiefs iqhubekele phambili, because ngabe sikhuluma okunye njengamanje. And ibhola le Chiefs lihle kakhulu. Ama-sub abene impact enkulu egamini. Uvele bayi ungena umfana wenza kakhulu, wakhombisa ubuhlakani ukuthi methola ibhola ngasonke isikhathi wenza ama-take ons, ubheka ebhalini. Ama-cross akhe bemahle kakhulu, kumthathe only 5 seconds ukwenza into ebihlula umdumo more than 60 minutes. And Batman enze debut yakhe kwi-Chiefs is not bad. Umfana kodwa uyabona ukuthi bese rust, kodwa ke going forward sombona umfana ekwazi ukuqhubeka enze izinto zenzeka. Enye sub kaNdlovu akabanga ne-impact ekutheni kanye beno Lilepo sometimes uthatha ama-shot ngenasidingo, but I think naye ngoba bese kuhlala isikhathi eside engadlali, sithemba ukuthi uzowenza izinto zenzeka. NoDuba nawe bese nesikhathi, kodwa ubonile ukuthi akhona ama-shot Miguel ngo-last minute. Miguel leya shot. But if ngisuku lakho ngampela nama-officials engenza noma yini ungafuni win if ngisuku lakho. TS Galaxy angiyikho into engayisho ngayo, because akaze iyenze ngisho even i-shot and target i-1 bebezovisitha nje laba bantu egamini bezobukela Chiefs idlala
Yazi, I would love to crash out and be angry ukuthi why did Kaizer Chiefs not win this game, kodwa hayi umoya wami awuvumi. Amachita lwile bafethu, amachita lwile, amachita ayikho into angayizamanga la. Like they gave it their all, they left everything on that field. Yabo, it's just that sekuyikona ukuthi ilo inhlanhla mangaba unayo kodwa ngiyasola ukuthi ngazathi into zabantu lezi, ngathi sekuninto zabantu ngaphakathi. Ayikho phela into enje. I-Kaizer Chiefs were the better team by far, right? They had 18 shots at goal, the most they've had in any game this season. They had 8 shots on target, the most they've had in any game this season. But still they couldn't find the back of the net, of which has been the story for the Kaizer Chiefs throughout the season. But if you're going to talk about the football they played today, proper football, it's just that they couldn't find the back of the net. When abafana bama bangalungisa that part of their game, that's finding the back of the net. We are so back. Kodwa ke asikhali kakhulu. What a game by Solomons bafethu. Solomons is my man of the match. Solomons is my man of the match. What a game by Solomons. Engineer Tegis. This guy ushaya imoto ayiphambili ayo attack. ebese i-TS Galaxy mayishaya i-counter attack ibuye emuva ashaya imoto abuye azodefenda futhi i-engine isevisiwe. Angazi noma umfana udlalela i-contract entsha noma udlalelani noma i-rent akayibhadalanga ushoda angazi kwenzakala eMaru Solomon uyalwa belwa kule game le. Salute for him. To him, we need to give credit when a player shows improvement. Yabo, I think ukuba khona kwaMonyane eteamini nakhona is very helpful because having good competitions for a position is very, very good. Because you know ukuthi player malithola ithuba, they will try their best to fight so that they remain the number one choice for the coaches. Yabo, my mangabu wedwa kwi-position sometimes will slack and then you will not be able to perform because you have uzongena squad team. Shout out to this guy.
Hayi bafethu, hayi namhlanje I'm not even gonna crash out. I'm not. Namhlanje bafethu sokhuluma nje bafethu. Hayi, yabona bafethu into mangayona yakho akuyona yakho. Yabona usuku mangalona olwakho akulona olwakho. Hayi bafana, hayi. Hayi. Hey bafethu azi labantu baqale bakhokhela ureferee bafethu. Ureferee bafethu wabiki offside engekho bafethu. Gole lihle la Da Silva bafethu. Gole lihle la Da Silva first half. Hayi kulungile sadlula lapho. Hayi bafana amathuba. Hayi bafethu. Hayi. Bengalona usuku lethu. Hayi bengalona. Sidlale ngalendlela enhle ngalendlela. Ngisho ukuthi iPirates yaseyisa namhlanje. Bazobe nabo beyilima ngengidlale ngawo. Abona namhlanje iKaizer Chiefs ikhombisa ibhola, ikhombisa ukudlala ibhola, ikhombisa ukuhlangana, ikhombisa iunity. Hayi bafethu kodwa hayi malithi igoli lithi cha. Yabona nje nokwa Miguel ngihlale ngimeyisa kodwa abona namhlanje yabona ya shot leya uyishayile ngempela leya header leya. Hayi bafethu abesikhuluma indaba. Hayi mhlawumbe ngimbiza ngoSergio Ramos. Very yellow card mentioned lo mchitha kodwa hayi bafethu hayi bafana bengalona usuku lethu. Yibo futhi sadlala lonke ibhola. Yo mfethu ngicela ukubala amakhona ngasibe ku12 sino12 bena 2 noma 10 ngicela ukubala amakhona ngani saphele kubani. Khombisa ukuthi besifika ku18 era wabo. Kodwa nje igoli lutho. Hayi bafethu sekubuye kulunga sisobona next year. Sivale kahle isizini ngokwami. Uzitshela lapha bekhona uWanda. Cause fethu igoli leliyana. Hey bafethu. Bafethu vele ebhaya bona lantwana vele fethu ngibona uVinicius Junior fethu. Vini Junior ehambela loyana. Awona mase sizothatha indoda. Sathi ibhola aqonde nje ngqo. Yabona uVinicius Junior bemrobe iBallon d'Or lanyaka. Aqonde nje ngqo. Ilento ade ngibona kuvele ebhaya kodwa ke phela it's fine. Siyakhombisa ukuthi siyafuna ukuwina, siyakhombisa ukuthi siyafuna ukuya phambili. Uyayibona ihanga kwabadlalini. So bafethu ngihappy mina ngeKaizer Chiefs kodwa ke asibone next year.
Bafana bami senibuye ngempela ke manje. Hey Chiefs.
Draw. Kule season shuthi sizothola iBallon d'Or. Yingakho abadlali beChiefs iAFCON bezoyibukela behlele emakhaya. Yingakho bengeke beze benuke nokuyinunka iWorld Cup. Inaba yijimelayo bajimela nje ukuzobukisa ngathi. Yasebenza kodwa le yebhola. Umsebenzi wenu ukudlala ibhola indoni enehlula yo. Into enikhokhelwayo ukudlala ibhola indoni enehlula.
Manje thina sesihlulwa nje itask nje eyodwa 1 ukuprova kulaba abasibiza ngolamthuthu ukuthi asibona abolamthuthu ukuprova hayi ukuthi siprove ngamagama siprove eground sihluleka nje isihlula ile task nje kuphela le gama ngathi manje lingathi lizonamathela siyahluleka mose ukuprove ukuthi asibona abolamthuthu siyahluleka angifuni umuntu ezoblame ucoach futhi mina athi hey ucoach this ucoach uyikhiphe zonke inhlavu bekanazo zonke washaya icassette laphelela buyo uzokhala ngocoach ana ngilindele umuntu ozothi hey mara at least badlalile ukudlala engekho ama-goals fana umuntu ongadlalanga and angilindele muntu futhi ozothi basirobhile igoli eli-1 akupha amanye ama-goals. Yes, basirobhile eli-1 but akupha amanye. Siyahluleka ukuprova nje ukuthi asibona bola mthuthu. Siyahluleka. Kunini sibizwa bola mthuthu but siloko nje siyayiconfirma vele le ndaba ukuthi yebo singaba bola mthuthu. Siyiconfirma kuphi? Siyiconfirma grounding. Hayi suka. Yabo mawathi kumbula kusembeso. Ngitshela mina kumbula kusembeswa. Hayi suka libafuthi akazi ukuthi ngithini kanti team yami kancane nje iloko yathi yabona. Hayi suka hayi Mbule yebo yilo vele Mbule yilo lelo yilo vele akuvele kuvunywe nje ukuthi yilo vele Mbule lelo libizile igama vele yilo until size siziprove eground suka.
Hayi bafowethu hayi ayikho lento yabona makuthiwa into ayikho ayikho nangu Ntoli uyakhuluma anothi uzothi cishe yakona imarumo lashaya ipani kunkulu wami hayi bo naso ithi imarumo sorry Tess Galat ilashaya ipani sengilibale kanjani bese ngiyekhoni seyo celebrate bafana kuyala yibo ke laba basimele kuyikhefu yibo laba ba computer nathi kulungileke sothi ngoba phela umlomo yisho balokuyiphungela umlomo uyabona lento le into edala ukuthi wokhuluma noma yini ofuna ukuyikhuluma njengoba bethi basimele nje kuyikhefu angeke baphikise kulungile ngoba thina sikho kodwa nje bafowethu bengibuka i-team esimele kuyikhefu angifuni ukuphawula okuningi kodwa nje uNkulunkulu wami ake ngiyicelebrate i-Black Label iphi black ongibona i-black lapha ngifuna bebothi ngishaya i-black angithi ngithatha i-Black Label izo anansi cha ngifuna bebothi ngiyayishaya ngithi ngiyithathile izolo so manje ngiyiphuza mahala ngoba ngiyithathile izolo bafowethu ayikho lento le yabona le ayikho ngifuna ngitshela manga
let's it for i-video namhlanje bafethu. Angikhuluma kakhulu namhlanje because I didn't get to watch the game. Okay, singekho la endlini so yeah, yabo izinto ekanjalo. But into engayisho ukuthi when I saw the starting 11 se-Kaizer Chiefs, I was like, okay, this is the most offensive squad I've seen in Kaizer Chiefs this year. Like you had this game is like looked like Chiefs meant business, and the way ama-fans akhona khuluma ngakhona Chiefs like really played namhlanje like bakhombisa ukuthi they want to win. Luck was not on their side. Kenzeka mfethu. But there's one thing engayithandi. Because after the results ukuthi Chiefs drawile, I went to Facebook to check ukuthi abantu bathini, you know. And people kunabantu who still don't understand. Every time kwenzeka into ebhedayo with Chiefs, goal disallowed, mhlawumbe red card, it's always ukhoza. If kwenzeka something Chiefs engayithandi, enga-align nabo, it's always ukhoza. But they won in Nedbank ngendlela esingayithandi thina but never said anything. Ukhoza nayo lo futhi ukhoza wabanikezayo na iNedbank. Because you guys won in Nedbank na Rugby Sundowns. And even during final nePirates, you guys were wrestling with us. But sangisho lutho. But I'm just saying ukuthi stop qaleleke lento ukuthi every time I lose a game or it decision goes against you guys are going to blame Ukhoza. Do you guys think ukuthi Ukhoza will go out of his way to sabotage the Chiefs? You it is going to say sabotage is Sundowns. With Sundowns, you need threats. You guys are not a threat. You guys, like for the past 5 years, we don't see Chiefs as a threat. I'm not saying, but you guys have any antus. You are still a big team. I'm not going to take that away from you guys. You guys are still a big team. You pull numbers. I said I'm but you guys are not a threat. So we can't. Why sabotage the team and go any threats? We can sabotage it Sundowns because we know good Sundowns, if they get their things right, they might dethrone us like number one. Yona team ingatesthusa le, but it's for Chiefs. So why will Ukhoza sabotage you guys? That's my question. Why? Being special ngani nenzeni for the past 10 years ukuthi singaze sifuna ukunisabotage? Just asking my faith. Angil. Like all I can say ukuthi thank you for watching, thank you for subbing, and ngizonibona during EFCON. And now that we got my holidays, yes, ngizosho ukuthi Merry Christmas, but Merry Christmas and New Year first. Even though I don't celebrate those things, but Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone who watches and everyone who subscribed. And yeah, be safe. Mpuzele makhaya.